Yes. In 99, our one of the very senior leaders who is no longer with us, who have been groomed and nurtured by the party, left the party, floated a new party. So there was a kind of a situation where people thought, okay, Naya party nikla hai, a new party has come. What will the fate of the Congress? We remain. We remain. We have withstood the test of time. In 2018, people who were in the government, friends, my colleagues in the erstwhile government, who had the privilege of being in the cabinet for almost 5 years and preceding that also, they left us. So these kind of challenges will always unfold and confront every political party, not just Indian National Congress. It will confront every political party at one point or other. These are expected line of challenges which we are always prepared to face, and somehow know and prepare how to navigate during that kind of challenging situation. So we know how to navigate. We have an inherent strength as an organization. So I have said also earlier, leaders will come and leaders will go, but Indian National Congress shall remain. Okay, it's as simple as that, and I want to be as blunt as this. Simple.
So, but the BJP has time and again